Welcome to the magnificent Hotel Birks. Such a beautiful entryway with beautiful gilded ceilings and their amazing restaurant that we'll show you later on your left hand side. And to the right you have Birks, Rolex, Cartier for some fabulous shopping. And how great. And then our beautiful reception area. When you go up the stairs and you check out, the elevators are to the left, but if you want to have a nice little seat by the fireplace, you can do so in their beautiful little lounge. And this also overlooks the beautiful hotel, restaurant, and lounge. To the Hotel Birks. And this is Suite 520, the King Suite. And when we open the door, this is your stunning view. Immediately to the left when you walk in is a coffee machine or espresso machine, as well as a sink. And when you enter, you have your closets on the right-hand side with your safe, your little mini bar area, a desk, as well as on the left-hand side, a full suite bathroom. The finishings are stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful marble floors and tub and showers. Beautiful full bathtub. As well as my favorite, I love a good comfy hotel robe. This shower is amazing with a nice rainforest shower head. And again, beautiful finishings. It does come with a blow dryer and a few beauty products, as well as a full stock of towels and a scale. So when we walk out of the bathroom and you go to the left, this is your seating area with a TV, so you can lounge here. Beautiful panoramic window view of downtown Montreal. Beautiful electric fireplace. And when you turn the corner, here is your bedroom. This bedroom is fantastic. It does have a TV as well as the other side to the fireplace. Now this door over here where you see that shadow with Mr. Davis's, open it up, baby. Look how amazing. So you have a beautiful view of the bathtub. And what I really love about this is it really, really opens up the space. Let me show you what your terrace looks like. So we're gonna open this door. It is snowing in Montreal, but I mean with a view like this, how gorgeous. Directly across the street from the bay. So you can have your nice shopping. Look at that. How great. This location is perfect. It's so close to so many of the hottest restaurants and lounges in the city. So we're very excited to take you around. And I love this time of year in Montreal with all the decorations. It's so, so, so gorgeous. I mean, you guys saw how well they decorated the front lobby for their guests. So it's definitely a treat. So this is the Hotel Birks and this is the King Suite. I hope when you guys come, you enjoy your stay as much as Jon and I are. See you soon. Fabulous. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.